Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Join me as I show you how to make banku for hundreds of people. So we have our corn dough here. That is what I'm taking out of the sack. We prepared the corn dough on our own. So we have a wedding coming off on Sunday, and this is Saturday afternoon. So we are just going to stir the banku so that the next morning our work will be lessened. So another person is coating the pot with ash. You mix the ash with water and just put the back of your pot so that when you are to wash it after making your banku, it will be easier for you to wash it. Please, if you are new to this channel, you are most welcome, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share this video. So now we have placed the pot and we'll add some water into our pot. Quickly we'll move to the preparation of the corn dough and the cassava dough. So with this blue container, we measured 3 corn dough of this blue container and 2 of the cassava dough. So we are just going to mix it with our hands so that we get rid of all the lumps so that we have a uniform consistency. It is so lovely to do something in bulk because we have a number of people coming together to support to make it a success. And with this technique that we are going to be using, our banku is going to turn out very smooth without lumps in it. So I'm doing it with my sister, and now we are just transferring it to the pot where we initially added some amount of water, and another person too will be stirring whilst we go to mix the remaining cassava dough and the corn dough. It is usually not easy for one person to do this alone because we are preparing this for almost 200 people. So we had to come together, and within the short period that we were making it, we needed at least 5 or 6 people to do this job. So now Sister Lizzie is adding some salt, and she will give it another stir. Then as we mix the remaining cassava and the corn dough, so in all we measured 3.5 parts of the corn dough and 2.5 parts of cassava dough. So if you have this blue container, measure 3.5 of corn dough and 2.5 of cassava dough for this pot we are using. So the first one we mixed was very thick, which we added to the hot water, and now we are making this light one, and we are just going to add it. So we have added it, and our pot is now filled with cassava dough and corn dough. So this is how we continuously stir it till it becomes thick or it comes together. So she's testing it to see whether it was too thick or not, and it is very thick, so she's diluting it with a little water. So this is me also stirring. In fact, it's not easy to stir this banku, but we just have to do it so that we will serve our wedding guest. So other people too were opening up the rubbers where we were to package the banku in. So this is it. We come together to get a very good result. So usually what we do is that one person doesn't stay till everything is done, and you are staring and you get tired, another person will come in and take from you. I did so well, and all the members who helped did very well, and the banku was very smooth. You can even see from the video that we're not having lumps in it. So at this point, I'm going to remove what we are using to stir, and we are going to cover the banku with rubber and leave it for about 15 minutes so that it will completely cook. And after the 15 minutes, we will then start to package our banku. This is tedious, so we had to stir twice of this pot and another mini pot to get 200 plus banku. So this is how we package it. So they will be cutting it and other people will be tying it. Please support this channel by sharing this video, commenting, liking, and also by subscribing. I'll be glad if you do all this to grow this channel. So as you are packaging, you have to be counting. My sister here was doing the counting so that we will get the actual number that we were looking for. This was so lovely because it brought a lot of smiles on our faces. So this is how we package it into coolers, and this is the next morning, Sunday morning, and we are packaging it with pepper mixed with tomatoes and shito, and we had other top ups, that is our fish, and also chopped green bell pepper, tomatoes, and onion. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. See you next time. Bye.